So we've been in the house now for just about 3 weeks, but the journey began just over a year ago. The house was built in 1984, lots of walls, lots of wood paneling, and we wanted to really change all of that. The experience with Marta was just amazing. She quickly understood what we were trying to work with. She's an expert listener. She did the as-is design almost instantaneously. We wanted to improve the usability of the kitchen so it wasn't so closed off. So now the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, it's all one big space, but still has a lot of character and architecture that kind of defines each area without being closed off. We have 5 different steel beams in here. We raised the ceilings up, and now it's all one big space. One of the great things about working with Marta is she very quickly was able to render what it is we were all talking through. Allowed us to be able to see visually exactly what it was, and then even though maybe something wasn't exactly like what we were looking for, she worked with us in these 1.5 hour or so design sessions where we would tweak it real time. And so we had in our hands exactly what it was that we were going to be working toward. So there was no guesswork, it was very iterative, it's very collaborative, and we really couldn't ask for a better way to go about that project. Lots of confidence we had there.